Hey, how you doing? Yeah, there is a little radio, not the big one back there, not my scanner, not my other radios. It's right here. Let me bring it up close to the camera here. There it is. This is another one of Jeff's radios, and this is a real novelty. This was put out by Coca-Cola for a little novelty promotion. And Jeff got this radio along with a bunch of other ones from the Facebook Marketplace. It's AM and FM. Not doing a very good job of showing it to you, am I? It's so tiny. Look at that, man. I could close my hand. Look at that. I'm pretty sure this antenna is fake. Maybe it's not. Maybe there is a wire in there. Over here we have the tuning knob and the volume. There's a clip on the back. It uses two AAA batteries. Oh, they were advertised as made in China. No kidding. And then over here is the mode control, off, AM, FM, and the earbud jack. Let's see if it'll work. Yeah. There's AM. We tune it in. Yeah, the lights are giving it a little trouble. I don't have my computer on, but I have several lights on. Let me let you listen.
It's unbelievable. I threw a 37-yard pass to Miko Hart, but then it was unbelievable because then I threw another 50-yard pass.
The volume is this little tiny speaker. Whoa, it's distorted there. Plenty loud, but it distorts.
I just wish that he was just like, thank you so much for the support. It's overwhelming.
Okay, let's go to FM.
Which are all certified by the most
Not bad.
Our prices are straightforward.
Tuning knob's a little recessed.
Now, 800-375-1159.
That's good.
800-375-1159.
Spring cleanup is for everyone, but nature saves
That sounds
its biggest
good.
mess.
Online, it makes it
Another
really
station. So it's picking up lots of FM stations.
800 buy down.
Doing a fantastic job.
It's about the client's success.
Tiny little radio.
This firm has been built
Let me see what else is in Jeff's notes. He always gives me notes about each radio.
that trust.
Turn the volume down. Volume down.
How they can benefit the client.
Okay. Cheap, but it works. Integrated circuits. Reception is decent enough. Volume lacks. I think there's plenty of volume. That's about it. Pretty cute. Little radio. See if I can get it. There we go. Get the light. Tiny radio. Now this is what you call a pocket radio. You can definitely get this one in your pocket. Let me let it play for a few seconds and then we'll call it quits. Turn the volume back up.
What does that mean? Unique Services will buy back your old inefficient HVAC equipment when we take up this.
Doesn't sound bad. Let me see if I can dare find some music. Right there, that little bar is where the tuning indicator is. And down in there, you can't see it, is a red bar showing you where it's tuned. Let me see if we can find some music for a second. There we go. Yeah. Not bad at all. Hey, Jeff, I think this is pretty good. All right, enough for music. Thanks for watching. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I think he brought me about a dozen more, like this one. Very unusual radios from his collection. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm providing shows that you enjoy and of some use. And have a great day. Bye-bye.